Hey, Dana with Breslow. Check out this project. We're at a country club in New York. We did a 2-section louvered roof system, motorized louvers, fans, shades. I'm gonna go ahead and demo it for you so you can see. But one button and the shades go down. Look at that view out there. This is a beautiful golf course. Everybody loves it. They get off the green, they come in here, and they enjoy a nice meal. You'll also notice that we did this custom built in to the railings, cut these railings down, put our posts in, very custom, very high end. I'm gonna go ahead and open these louvers now because like you want some sun. It's a beautiful day out, it's not too hot. Well, these louvers above me will open. In addition to that, we also have lighting. We've got this dimmable lighting that we can put all around. We can raise these shades up. But come on over here, I wanna show you more. We got an indoor bar, got a kitchen in there. This is where everybody comes at the end of the day or throughout the day. And then we have our system here, and we can open these louvers up as well. We got these great high power, wet rated fans. You could actually feel the wind. It's amazing. So before, this place was, it was nice, but they had a retractable fabric awning. It was nothing compared to what they got now. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate how the shades go up now too, so you can see. So go ahead and hit that shade button, shades go up. Now what you're gonna see behind these shades is what I can't wait to go. Technically I wanna go out there and play some golf right now. Check it out. So all these people come back here at the long day of playing 9 or 18 holes. What's really nice too is we have different settings on these. So if I want them completely vertical, they could be vertical. But maybe someone doesn't want it to be all vertical. Maybe they just want to close them a little bit to redirect that shadow on that table over here. Check this out. You can see how the sun is at its maximum right there, right? But I have full control over this. So I can make them closed. That's basically illustrating how those louvers open and close. It's a really cool effect that you get. So we're really proud of this project. It's a very big project. There was a lot of work that went into this, a lot of preparation, stucco, super gutters, all sorts of technical things I won't bore you with that we think about for you. Give us a call. Let us do something special for you. Let's make this happen.